Are you a teacher, parent, or anyone who would love to surprise kiddos with back-to-school goodie bags? Then this DIY chip bag project is perfect for you. Hey there, Marian again, and welcome back to our channel A to Z Creative, where we create arts and crafts from A to Z. But before we get started, I'd like to show you this busy book from our sponsor, Foayex. It's perfect for helping your child develop fine motor skills, color perception, hands-on abilities, and sensory awareness. This busy book features pages dedicated to matching numbers, letters, weather, animals, body parts, color, shapes, and more. It has Velcro backing so kids can easily attach the chipboards to the book, plus extra Velcro pieces. There's also a pouch to organize the chipboards, though I like to organize them by category using sandwich bags. You can purchase this book on Amazon. Be sure to screenshot the QR code or check the link to the product in the description box below. By the way, we'll be donating this book to a kindergarten class in the Philippines, so please subscribe to our channel. It's one way you can help us secure more sponsors like this, and in return, we'll be able to help more kids receive freebies like this. Now let's proceed to our DIY chip bag. I love using glossy paper for vibrant colors, and I printed it using a Canon MX320 printer with a borderless setting. In my template, you'll notice guides at the top and bottom of the paper. These are to help you fold the chip bag correctly. I used double-sided tape to connect the sides, bottom, and top. Start by connecting the sides, then the bottom. Before sealing the top, fill the bag with goodies, then close it. For a realistic look, you can use a paper crimper to create that indented lines at the top and bottom, just like the real chip bags. But I don't have it, so I just simply use pinking shears to trim the top and bottom edges. That's it! An easy peasy DIY loot bag that your kids will surely love. Don't forget to check the description box for the materials I used in this project, as well as the link to download the free template. This DIY is also perfect for any occasion, so take a look at these chip bags I designed for Teacher's Day and Halloween. If you enjoyed this DIY, please don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment. Also, make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any of our DIY projects. Thanks for watching!